How are you? How are you? I don't know why all my cats like go above a refrigerator. I don't know. Justina, how are you? Are you okay? Justina's a good girl. I like her so much. What are you doing? Tell me. Tell me. Oh, okay. Tell me. Okay. Tell me. What happened? Where are? Where are these? Another cats? Yes? Where are these? These are another rooms eating lunch. Yes. Yes. Why you are here? You don't want? No? Why? Why? What happened? Justina? 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 Tell Mama. What happened? What happened? Tell. Oh, you want kiss me? You want kiss me? Yes? Yes? Justina? 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 I'm not only here. You tell me. What happened? You are sad? Yes? You are not hungry? Before I give her fish above a refrigerator. Yes. Yes. Now she's not hungry. She's full. Justina. 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 I don't know. I have a big dream. I can understand how and what say my cats. Yes, I want now, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I can't understand. But I believe all the cats, same the human, they have strong emotion, strong feel. Yes, they know about love, lack, jealous, and hate. Yes, yes. Yes, my guys, you send message for me and send the comment. Your cat speak with you or no? You can understand what they say or no? Tell me, please. After the watching this video, sharing video for